In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Hubspot. This integration is a game changer for marketers looking to automate their email marketing campaigns and synchronize their data effortlessly between two powerhouse platforms. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to digital marketing tools, this guide will walk you through each step to make this integration smooth and straightforward. First things first, let's head over to HubSpot's official website. Once you're there, look for the login button. This is your gateway to accessing all the incredible features HubSpot offers, and it's located right on the homepage for your convenience. By clicking on it, you're one step closer to unlocking the power of combining HubSpot with Mailchimp. Next, you will be prompted to enter your login details. If you haven't already set up an account, now's the perfect time to do so. Otherwise, go ahead and type in the email associated with your HubSpot account. Be careful to enter your email correctly to avoid any login issues. Pressing Next will take you to the next step of the login process. For many users, accessing HubSpot through Google's single sign-on option is a breeze. If your HubSpot account is linked to a Google account, simply click on Sign In with Google. This option streamlines the login process by using your Google credentials, eliminating the need to remember an extra set of login details. Upon successfully logging in, you'll encounter various icons on the HubSpot dashboard. You're looking for the Marketplace logo, which is your portal to HubSpot's extensive app marketplace, filled with integrations and add-ons to enhance your HubSpot experience. Locate and click this logo to proceed. In the app marketplace, the exploration into various tools and integrations available at your fingertips begins. But let's keep our eyes on the prize, integrating Mailchimp. To find it, simply type Mailchimp into the search bar. The search is intuitive and designed to help you quickly find what you're looking for among the myriad of available apps. Clicking on the Mailchimp option will bring you to its dedicated page within the marketplace. Here you will find details about the integration, such as features, reviews, and the all-important Install App button. This button is your next step. By clicking it, you are initiating the integration process. This step is designed to be as smooth and effortless as possible. Clicking Install App will prompt you through a series of permissions. These permissions are necessary for Mailchimp to access certain information within your HubSpot account and vice versa. It's this seamless exchange of data that makes the integration so powerful. Following through with these prompts and granting the necessary permissions will finalize the integration process. What this means for you is a newly established bridge between HubSpot and Mailchimp, making your marketing efforts more synchronized and efficient. Congratulations! You have now successfully integrated Mailchimp with your HubSpot account. This integration opens up a new realm of possibilities for your email marketing campaigns. From automating email sequences based on triggers in HubSpot to segmenting your contacts more effectively, the synergies between these two platforms can significantly boost your marketing effectiveness. Remember, the beauty of this integration lies in its simplicity and the power it unlocks. By following these steps, you're not just integrating two applications, you're streamlining your workflows, enhancing your marketing strategies, and ultimately driving better results for your business. To ensure you get the most out of this integration, take some time to explore the features and settings now available to you. Experiment with automations, delve into segmenting your contact list, and explore how you can customize your emails for maximum engagement. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to integrate Mailchimp with HubSpot. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Remember, the key to leveraging any integration is understanding how it fits into your overall marketing strategy. So go ahead, explore the new capabilities at your fingertips, and watch your email marketing campaigns soar to new heights. Happy marketing!